It is said that Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Then why did Krishna leave Vrindavan and go to Mathura? The main reason that acharyas give for this is Krishna left Vrindavan only to enhance and increase the love of the residents of Vrindavan. To understand the mood of Krishna is not so easy. For example, what's going on in my mind cannot be understood by anybody else. Similarly, to understand what was going on when Krishna left Vrindavan can only be known through the bona fide people of Krishna, and that is whom we call as gurus, who can understand the mood of Krishna. So the acharyas comment, what was the mood of Krishna when he left for Mathura? Surely Krishna wasn't happy when he left for Mathura. And what was the main reason for Krishna leaving to Mathura? The first point we should understand is Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Point two is he had to leave Vrindavan so that he could establish the Dharma. Krishna had come specifically for this purpose of establishing Dharma. When he left Vrindavan, the Acharyas comment that he had such a hard time to leave his own people whom he loved so dearly. It was only for our benefit that Krishna had to keep aside his own people whom he loved more than his life. Why? So that he could tell us, he could display his Leela's beautiful pastimes, so that he could attract our minds towards his pastimes. And when our minds are attracted towards his pastime, we also inquire about the place where we can constantly associate with Krishna, and that is the spiritual world. So, just for the sake of advertising, today we have the whole advertisement industry which can sell from a small ball pen to anything that is big enough. It is sold on the basis of advertisement. Similarly, to advertisement, so to advertise the pastimes that are taking place in the spiritual world, Krishna had come here, and with a heavy heart, he had to leave his own dear people, the Vrajvasis, the resident of Vraj, and he left for Dwarka. And the second part is, why did he leave them? So that their feelings of love would be intensified. They could experience Krishna every moment in a more intensified way, that is called as the Vipralamba Bhav. For these two reasons, Krishna left Vrindavan.